So where we are is 16.5 degrees from the equator, especially on the Atherton Tablelands where we do a lot of work. They get 360 plus days a year. On the coast, slightly less due to a bit more rainfall. So in Cairns and far north Queensland here, we do get some hot climates. When we have a situation where it's 25 degrees C ambient temperature, which a lot of Australia gets to a minimum, those cells can reach 40, 45, 50 plus degrees C. So the better the temperature coefficient, the less that those panels are going to derate. Temperature coefficient for the panel is crucial. If you buy or select a panel that is of just par or subpar, you're going to notice the performance output compared to a high quality panel. So straight away, the return on investment starts to get closer and closer for those factors. So again, I can't reiterate strong enough. You've got to pay for quality. You've got to look at the overall package of the solar solution, not just the panels, not just the inverter, the whole installation, the quality, right through the switch gear that we use. If you stick to that in the market, you'll be assured and you'll get a far better return on your investment